Om Gan Ganpati Namo Namaha. Atma Namaste. So in this video, we will be discussing about the basics of nakshatra, what are all their names, and who are all the owners of this nakshatra, and how they are positioned in the birth chart. And this is what we are going to see. Now we know that a nakshatra is a group of stars which form a particular pattern in the sky. There are 27 nakshatras in total, and each of the nakshatra has 4 paths. Meaning, if you multiply 27 into 4, you have a total of 108 paths, which is spanning across the zodiac signs. So we have 12 zodiac signs. So if you further divide 108 divided by 12 means you have 9 paths in a single zodiac sign. Now this 108 is also very spiritually significant. You would have seen people chanting a mantra for 108 times. What they are literally doing is they are activating all their nakshatra paths inside the birth chart through the mantra. Okay, let's see the names of these nakshatras. Okay, and in a birth chart they are always fixed in a position. They're not moving unlike planets, and they will always be in a particular order only. So we have 9 planets, and each of these planets will own 3 different nakshatras. Starting with Ketu, then you have Venus, then followed by Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury. This is the order of the nakshatra or planets which is positioned. Okay, now let's see what are all the nakshatra of these planets. So Ketu has 3 nakshatra, which is Ashwini, Maham, and Moolam, and followed by Venus we have Bharani, Puram, and Puradam. Then you have Sun's nakshatra, which is Kritige or Kartige, Uttiram, and Uttaradam. Then you have Moon's nakshatra, which is Rohini, Hastam, and Tiruvonam. Then you have Mars nakshatra, which is Mirgasirisham, Chitrai, and Avitam. Then Rahu's nakshatra, which is Tiruvadare, Swadi, and Sadayam. Jupiter's nakshatra are Punarpusam, Visagam, and Puratadi. And Saturn's nakshatra are Pusam, Anusham, and Uttiratadi. And lastly, Mercury's nakshatra are Ailyam, Ketai, and Revati. Now let's see how these 27 nakshatras and their paths are positioned in the birth chart. So you can see in Kalapushan's first house, you have Ashwini nakshatra and its 4 paths 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then followed by Venus's nakshatra Bharani 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again you have Sun's nakshatra, but the first path alone. This is because in a zodiac sign only 9 paths can be accommodated. The remaining paths of the Kartikeya nakshatra, they fall in the second zodiac sign, which is Taurus. So 2, 3, and 4 fall in the Taurus sign. Then you have Rohini 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by Mirgasirisham first and second path. Mirgasirisham's remaining path, that is third and fourth path, they fall in Gemini. You have Tiruvadure, which is Rahu's nakshatra 1, 2, 3, 4, and Punarpusam 1, 2, and 3, which is Guru's nakshatra. The remaining path of Guru's nakshatra Punarpusam falls in Cancer Rashi. And you have Pusam 1, 2, 3, and 4, and Aidyam 1, 2, 3, and 4. In Leo, if you see, you have the first nakshatra as Ketu. Ketu's nakshatra, which is Magham 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the same order which would be followed for the remaining zodiac signs. This is how they are positioned. Okay. Now, depending on the moon's position only, the birth nakshatra is decided. That is how we say that this is the birth nakshatra of the person. So moon is the fastest moving planet, and it takes approximately 2 days and 6 hours to cross from one zodiac sign to the other zodiac sign. So for example, if a person was born at 7 a.m. in the morning, and at that time if it was crossing Rohini Nakshatra's third path means we say that the birth nakshatra is Rohini and its path is the third path. Okay. Now, depending on these nakshatra paths, the predictions would vary. The character would vary of a person. So that we'll be seeing in the upcoming classes. Okay. So this was about the nakshatras concept. There's also one more concept related to the degrees, how each of these nakshatra paths is positioned in a particular degree. So we know that there are 30 degrees in each of the zodiac sign, and each of the nakshatra will have 3 degrees 20 minutes. So if we add another 3 degrees 20 minutes means it is 6 degrees 40 minutes. Add another 3 degrees 20 minutes, that's 10 degrees. It is not 9 degrees and 60 minutes, it is 10 degrees because 60 minutes comprises of 1 degree. Okay, so meaning you carry forward it. Again, if you add 3 degrees 20 minutes to 10 degrees means 13 degrees 20 minutes. So for 4 paths of a nakshatra, you have 13 degrees 20 minutes. Add another 13 degree 20 minutes, it comes up to 26 degrees and 40 minutes. Add just 3 degrees and 20 minutes to it, you have 30 degrees, which comprises your all the 9 paths inside a zodiac path. So this is how the nakshatras are positioned, and this is the concept of the degrees of these nakshatra. The remaining part of the course will be covered in the upcoming chapters. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.